Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to unlink Rockstar Social Club from Steam account. So first things first, you need to create an account here on your Rockstar and also on your Steam. Here on your Rockstar, what you're going to do is you have to tap on your profile once you have your account. And on your profile at the right side, you will see here options, and one of the options is settings. You have to tap on settings here. Now, here on the settings, you will see different options again, including the link accounts. If you tap on the link account, usually you will see all the accounts linked to your Rockstar. As you can see, I haven't linked my Steam right here, but in case that you have linked your Steam account, all you need to do is to just click this one right here, tap on link, and then confirm by tapping on link again. And you have successfully unlinked your Steam account if you have linked your Steam to your Rockstar. Now, if this case or this method didn't work, the next thing you should do here is you just have to go to their customer support. You can go to Rockstar or support rockstar.com and then tap on submit a request. You can choose from any of this here. So let's just say choose the store because we can't see anything related about account here. So let's move on and tap on the store option right here. Scroll down and then select this other Rockstar store issue. And then here you can just basically add this or copy this message that I'm about to send to them. So this is what it looks like. You can copy this one, you can create your own, but all you need to do here is to highlight that you wanted to request assistance to unlink your Rockstar game from your Steam. You can include here your social club name, username, registered email, Steam account, and then submit. Wait for the customer service to respond and help you with this matter. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.